Hello, friends. I am your host Abhinav, and welcome to another story of Experiencing Him. Experiencing Him is a collection of true stories where people have experienced Him directly or indirectly. It might be just coincidence, or they were just lucky for some, or as they believe, He helped them. I would request you to be with me till the end, and if you have also experienced Him, please share your story with me on abhinavupadhyay.up@gmail.com. My email ID is also mentioned in the description below. Today's story is of Mr. Rahul Pratap. I met him in office and while discussing our professional and personal life, he shared one of his experience. The year was 2009. He was doing graduation from Dehradun. He had a big friend circle inside and outside the college. A gorgeous girl and a sexy Pulsar 220, which he loved to ride. From his big friend circle, he had around 15 best friends in different groups. In one such college group, he had two friends, Vishal and Vaibhav. He knew Vishal from his school and met Vaibhav through him. One day, while coming back from college, he suggested them to visit Ghena village. It was a small village in Tiri and was only 2 hours away from Dehradun. The stay will be managed and the only spend will be on drinks and food. He showed a few pics of the village on his mobile. The place seems to be beautiful. The dates were finalized and the complete journey was planned. They bought drinks and chicken on the way and reached Ghena village in late evening. That night, Vaibhav and Vishal came to know that his father had bought a small piece of land there and was operating an English medium school till 5th. And that was the reason to bring them and have a small celebration. Their party grew with night. Soon Vishal was down. He and Vaibhav continued to party. He woke up around 7 with Vaibhav and Vishal was still sleeping. They went for a walk. The village was in the bottom of the mountain range. Some houses were on the mountain. The farming belt was between mountain and a small river. That river was near to their school, around 100 meters. The scenic beauty was amazing, and with the morning sun, the beauty of the village was 10 times what they saw in the picture. Vishal woke up around 9. While having tea, they were mesmerized by the beauty of the village. The nature's composed music with the sound of river and bird's voice. Suddenly Vishal said, I had an idea. His excited voice got their attention and also gave tension to him, as he knew that his excitement usually comes with a side effect. He proposed to trek the nearest mountain, as it was the smallest, and it will be awesome feeling to reach the summit, and they will also capture amazing view from the peak. Also, they had sufficient time to leave and will be back by noon. First they ignored, but later agreed and started walking toward the mountain. They were walking and enjoying the path. After some time, they saw an old house, and it seems no one was living. Soon, he felt the need of water, but they didn't pick any bottle while starting the trek, as it was their first trek and no one knew things to be carried. He asked them if they are feeling the same, but they seems to be fine. Both asked him to move forward as he can do and try to motivate him, but he knew their fake motivation won't help him as the need of water was reaching the sky and taking every step was becoming difficult for him. They have covered one-fifth of the mountain and traveled around 200 meters. When he felt that taking next step is not possible, he remembered the term dehydration, and at that point he felt the fear of death and the pain of the people who have suffered it. His visibility was fading when he heard Vishal shouting, "Came up, we might have found water." He took all his strength and took a few more steps. It was the last thing he can do. He reached and fell next to them. It was a still water in a man-made small pit for the animals to drink. It was covered with moss. At first, he thought to remove some and take a few sips, but he blacked out. His eyes opened as a few drops of water dropped on his lips. He saw Weber was dropping water on his face from his hands. He took some strength and sat. He was trying to recollect and understand what had happened when heard Vishal saying, "Drink water from here." Vishal was standing next to a pipe from which water was coming. He dragged himself toward the pipe and drank water from it. He took a deep breath, and after him, they both drank the water. All stood and saw the beautiful view from there. A huge part of the mountain was yet to be covered, and they decided to stay there only. He asked, "How did they manage to find the water here on the mountain?" And Weber replied, "First they went to the house they saw on the path, and as expected, no one was there. Then they saw a house on the opposite mountain. They didn't know if their voice can be heard there. And still they tried. They shouted for help for some time and waited, but didn't get any response. They were looking here and there when they found a water pipe used for irrigation. They followed it to find the end point, but were lost. While coming back, they saw a young man coming from the top of this mountain. They asked him for help. He knew that area and helped them finding the disconnected joint of the pipe. He also connected pipe for them. Came next to him, saw the water coming, and left. All closed their eyes and relaxed for some time. He thanked God for saving his life. Like every coin, there are two faces of the story. First, that every day villagers have to go to find food for their animal, and someone passing by heard their voice of help and came to understand the situation and help them. Second, which he believed that he saved his life because of two main reasons. First, they were all alone, and before anyone knew what had happened, the help would have been late. Though his friends could carry him down, but that will also be a difficult task. And till the time they reach to this decision and take him down to the village, the precious time have already been passed. Second, his friends can't go too far for the search of water as they might get misdirected, and reaching back to him again becomes a difficult task. I hope you enjoy the story. Please share your thoughts in the comment section below and let me and Rahul know what do you think. Please like, share and subscribe for listening to similar stories. It's your host Abhinav signing off. Bye, sayonara. Stay healthy, stay safe. Have a great day.